Let us see the topic moving coil galvanometer. Here we'll see how to define the sensitivity of galvanometer. So here we have a sensitivity of galvanometer, current sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. Let us see what actually it is. So when you define current sensitivity, what? Current sensitivity means the how much deflection. So means a small, when there is a flow of a small current, small value of a current, there is a huge deflection, and that we are defining as a current sensitivity of a galvanometer. S equal to current what? Deflection per unit current. How much deflection is there in the pointer of galvanometer divided by the current across this. So S equal to, suppose the deflection is denoted by phi or theta divided by I. So means what? There can be, means sensitivity is a term when there is a small amount of current, very small amount of current, but there is a huge deflection of current. Huge deflection of pointer, actually not current, huge deflection in the needle of the galvanometer. That is current sensitivity. Now we know this formula. We found that relation between the current and phi. We know that tau what, restoring torque equal to what? Tau applied. From here we are going to take a formula, actually that phi I formula, I equal to what, so that you can represent this sensitivity in terms of number of turns and magnetic field and all. So we know this C phi equal to N I A B, N I A B. From here we can find the value of I. So I equal to C phi divided by N A B, and we can put this value here. So when you put this value, what will get? S equal to what? So phi divided by I, C phi N A B, and A B. When you solve it further, you will get phi cancel out. So S equal to N A B divided by C. So now this is the other formula for the current sensitivity. Okay, so like this we can find the sensitivity of the galvanometer for current. It will respond with respect to current. Small amount of current, like current can be of very small magnitude, like example, suppose 2 milliampere, 1 milliampere and all. Now the next, suppose we want to see how to increase the sensitivity. More sensitive means what? More accurate reading, more sensitive. So to achieve more sensitivity, more means not more, we will say it like how to increase the sensitivity. S. So what we can do, we have a three quantities here: number of turn, area of the loop, magnetic field and torsional constant. So what we can do, we can increase this three quantity, we can increase this, because they are directly proportional, and this we should decrease. That only we can do. So how to increase? First, you increase the number of turn, sensitivity will increase. Second, increase area of the loop. Third, increase magnetic field. And last, fourth one, what we can do, decrease the torsional constant. Means you have to choose a wire of low torsional constant. Choose a wire of low torsional constant. So we can easily achieve this. So this is these are the ways how you can increase the sensitivity of the galvanometer. So this was about the current sensitivity. We can remember this formula. So instead of remembering this, remember this. It is very easy to derive it. So we have seen this while we were doing the discussion about the moving coil galvanometer. This is one thing. Second thing what we can do, we want to define voltage sensitivity. So that also we can define. To define this, let us take this example for it. So what we can have here, voltage sensitivity now. So means how to define this voltage sensitivity? Voltage sensitivity. It is nothing but same thing. Phi divided by voltage. Voltage drop you can say, or voltage. So this thing, and we know this V equal to I R. So what we'll do, we'll write the V in terms of I. I we know, we can find from there. What is I? Again you remember this, tau restoring equal to tau applied. Tau applied. So now we'll write here C phi equal to what? N I A B. So I equal to C phi divided by N A B. We'll put this value here I. So what will come now? We put this value here. So V equal to, put the value of I. So C phi N A B into R. Okay, we got this value. So we are going to put this value here. In this. So this V, we can put it here. So when you do this thing here, so what will come here? Sensitivity. It will be phi divided by this value, C phi into R divided by N A B. When you solve it further, so what will come? So phi cancel. So N A B divided by C R. So this is the formula for voltage sensitivity. Now same expression is coming, only one difference came. This R is added in the expression. Now here also the question comes, what? How to increase the sensitivity? So how to increase the sensitivity? Here for voltage sensitivity. How to increase voltage sensitivity? Same thing. Increase this, or increase this. Decrease this and decrease this. Okay. So how to increase? First, increase number of turns. Second, increase area of the loop. Third, increase magnetic field. Fourth, increase torsional constant. No, decrease torsional constant. And fifth one, decrease resistance of the wire. So like this we can define the voltage sensitivity and current sensitivity. So these are the formula regarding to the voltage sensitivity and current sensitivity.